Today we are replicating this scarf tutorial here, and I have on my beige top to match. I did buy this top for a safari and I also wore a scarf with it. Love this one because it has a last place award in the corner, which is my kind of humor. I'm just gonna put this in an upside down triangle and then we're gonna twist. Okay, and we're gonna put it around, extra roll, just like that. And then we're gonna cross it. We'll tie it at the back. We have this really pretty almost spiral effect going on, and you see the edges as a highlight, and we also get a little bit of this beige and the other really pretty colors throughout. And here are the scarf details. You can really go very self-deprecating with this one. Last place, most popular, only 3 years in a row, nice try. Or if you're feeling happy, you can go with wonderful, marvelous. What else do we have? Outstanding. Love this scarf.